Hi, this is Konstantin. I'm the owner of Hero Style Furniture. I've been doing this for 20 years, and through these years I gained quite a bit of experience about what's good, what's bad, what's comfortable, what's not, what's popular, what's could be popular. I would like to start a new series of videos. It's going to be short videos about furniture, and today I would like to introduce you a video about maintenance of your sofas. The quality of the furniture depends on the fabrics you buy, and here at Hero Style Furniture you have options. We have special fabrics for which is pet friendly. We have special fabrics that you can remove any stains. We have fabrics in with a pattern or solid colors. So I would say that approximately 1,000 options in stock that you can touch, you can choose, and build your sofa the way you like it. I love children. I'm a father of 4. We all love kids. And kids love ice cream. And oops, this has happened all the time. Ice cream, oh, on the couch. How difficult it's to remove? Well, I'll tell you, we need water and we need paper towels. I'll show you what to do. So, put a little bit of, clean the product first. You don't rub it, but just clean it inside out. Apply it a few times. So let the product dry naturally. So don't use air blower, and it might take 24 hours to dry. If the stain stay there, do it second time. So this is the final result. There is no stain, there is no ice cream, and well, that's what when you purchase the furniture from Eurostyle, you have a unique option to purchase it with stress-free fabrics. It's worth it to introduce you the new technology. We call it Aqua Clean. Any stains could be removed easily with just simple touch of water. And it's not only ice cream, it's also coffee, grease, and finally red wine. So come and see us at Eurostyle and enjoy beautiful sofas with free of stress.